Hi. Sometimes you want to change the mouse cursor size. Also, you want to change the mouse pointer color. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the mouse pointer size and color. Let's start. Go to Start menu. Select Setting. Select Devices. Select Mouse. Click on Adjust Mouse and Cursor Size. Under Pointer Size and Color, and under Change Pointer Size, you can move the scroll right and left to reach the mouse pointer size you want. And, under Change Pointer Color, you can change the pointer types such as normal pointer or solid black pointer or see-through pointer or color pointer. When you select the color pointer, you can change the pointer color. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.